Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in fresh whole foods and unique ingredients. Today, we're diving into the world of Sadaf Mosir shallots, a must-have pantry staple for anyone who loves adding an authentic, rich flavor to their dishes. If you're on the hunt for the best shallots to elevate your meals, look no further. This 2 ounces bag of dried Persian shallots is an essential ingredient that brings a touch of the Mediterranean right into your kitchen. Known as Mosir in Persian cuisine, these dried shallots are not your average cooking ingredient. They are a cross between onion and garlic, and their flavor is mild, sweet, and slightly garlicky, making them perfect for a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're preparing traditional Middle Eastern recipes like masto musir, a creamy yogurt-based dip, or experimenting with new flavors in your stews, soups, salads, and marinades, these shallots are sure to impress. One of the best things about Sadaf Mosir shallots is their versatility. You can easily rehydrate them in water to use as fresh shallots in your recipes, or you can grind them and add them directly to your dishes for an instant flavor boost. Their subtle, non-spicy taste makes them ideal for those who prefer a more delicate onion flavor, and they work perfectly as a topping for grilled meats or even in your favorite rice dishes. What's even better is that these shallots are naturally processed, containing no fillers or chemicals. They are vegan, halal, and kosher certified, so you can feel good about incorporating them into your meals. They're perfect for those who are health conscious and looking to add authentic ingredients to their cooking without any artificial additives. For those unfamiliar with Persian cuisine, masto musir is a staple that combines these shallots with yogurt to create a savory, tangy dip. It's commonly served with rice or as a side to grilled meats, but don't be afraid to experiment and find new ways to enjoy it. Whether you're new to Persian cooking or a seasoned pro, these shallots will be your new secret ingredient. In terms of packaging, the 2 ounces bag is compact and convenient, making it easy to store in your pantry without taking up much space. Plus, the shallots are dried to perfection, preserving their natural flavor and aroma, ensuring that every pinch you use in your dish is packed with taste. So, if you're looking to step up your cooking game and bring the flavors of the Middle East into your kitchen, Sadaf Mosir shallots are a must-try. They're the best shallots for creating authentic Persian recipes and versatile enough to be used in a wide range of dishes. Grab a bag today and start experimenting with this unique, flavorful ingredient in your next meal. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best in food and ingredients.